Good morning, Voyagers. It is the day of our field trip. Today is the 2nd of November, 2018, and my presentation is not moving. There we go. All right, so today is our field trip. We're going to have a lot of fun on that. The high temperature today is only 45 degrees. The low temperature tonight of 37 degrees. There's a 90% chance of rain throughout the course of the day. So just make sure that you're wearing your jacket as we get on over to SC4. PBIS expectation this week has been the hallway and stairs, but I want to talk about the bus since all of us will be on a bus today. We need to make sure that we are seated on the buses at all times. That is, seat on a seat, back on a back. Also making sure that you are being safe, keeping everything inside of the bus at all times. With the rain, and you want to make sure those windows are up anyways. So please make sure that you are following directions of our bus drivers and the adults in the buses as we go through. So, like I said, stairs, make sure that you are safe. Make sure you are responsible, and make sure that you are respectful in the hallways and stairs. A couple staff announcements. Just remember that the 9th, which is next Friday, is a half day for students. The field trip today, 3rd and 4th grade buses will load up about 8:35 and get back to the school at 1:15. That means you're going to load the buses at about 1 o'clock over at SC4. 5th grade, you guys are going to load up at 9:35, and you'll be back to the school about 2:15. That means you're loading up at 2. Teachers, please make sure that you call all parents who have not sent in permission slips. Our interventionists and specialists will also be around to help with those calls, but please start that process as soon as possible. Like I said, we need all students to go. At this point, I have no teaching staff staying back, so we need to make sure that we are able to go. It is critical. All right, so lunch today. Today is just a bag lunch. We ordered lunch. I don't know if there's crunchy baby carrots in there, though. Monday, you're looking at some penny pasta with Alfredo sauce, garlic toast, green beans, sliced peaches, crunchy baby carrots, and your choice of milk. Special announcements. Just remember we're having our War on Grumbling. Hopefully you guys all have your bracelets on. And remember to be thankful. That will go all the way through Thanksgiving. And then also if you have any gently used costumes or if you want to donate some new costumes, they can be donated here at the school or down at the Raven Cafe, which is 932 Military Street. It has some pretty good food in there too. All right. Our Pledge of Allegiance today. Students, if you could please stand. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are our morning announcements this morning. Remember that when we are on our field trip that it is 100% we are following the expectations. Some of our teaching staff are driving. If we have to take some people out of the field trip, we unfortunately will have to do that. So we need to make sure that we are safe, respectful, and responsible while we're on the field trip. Remember to be very courteous and kind to the people who are around helping us. Over at SC4, a lot of those people have volunteered their time to come be with us, especially the student athletes who are going to eat lunch with us and that kind of stuff. So please make sure that you're being extra kind to them, always saying please, always saying thank you, and following their directions. Part of that is because as we go through, you need to make sure that you are safe. Because especially in the super science room, you're going to be doing some experiments, and you want to make sure that you're safe and nothing happens to you. Same thing with the live animals. You don't want an owl to try to peck your eyeball out or anything like that. I think that'd be pretty bad. And then in the sonic room, there's a lot of technology and those types of things. You want to make sure you're safe with that as well. In order to being responsible, we're representing the Voyager way while we're out there, so we need to make sure that 100% we follow the expectations. If you have any questions with that, teachers, please have conversations with your students about it. I know you already have, but please have them again. As always, we need to make sure we're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers and have fun on the trip. See you at SC4.